I was chatting with one of our regular guests at the restaurant, and I told her that usually on Sundays, I always try to think of something fun that we can do together as a family. She told me that she and her daughter go out and collect wild asparagus around here. And I was like, what? Asparagus here? She said, yes. Along the ditches, just walking by the road, you can actually spot wild asparagus. And she told me they usually comes home with bags full of it and that her daughter loves doing it. So today we decided to go our first asparagus hunting. And then suddenly there it was, just popping like it was waving at us. And I was honestly so surprised. There are really wild asparagus out here.
Ito na nga. Pero mature na to.
It felt like a little treasure hunt. And seriously, I had so much fun. Now, my only question is this still safe to eat? I think the ones that we found are already pretty mature, but for our first time doing it, this was actually so much fun.
Yun na tubo, talbos. Sa baba. Maliit na maliit lang.
Now, my question for anyone who knows wild asparagus, we haven't touched ours yet. Does this still look okay to eat or did we pick it too mature? This was our first time doing it and honestly, we had so much fun.